So Amrit, the last film that you produced, Ummeed, was a very serious drama.
Yeah.
And then you switched tracks with Khajur Petke, which is a slice of life comedy. So what made you switch tracks in this?
I don't think any production house should remain loyal to a kind of a genre of movie that you're making. You should focus. Our focus has always been on content. Both the movies, though very very different, had very catching content, and we thought that it's the right way to move forward. Ummeed, a very serious movie, a very preaching and eye-opening movie. Khajur Pyat Ke, on the other hand, has equally good content to make you laugh, to make you feel good about your family and enjoy yourself.
You recently called Khajur Petke a subtle yet sensible comedy. What does that mean exactly?
So when I said that, I meant this is a movie that'll make you keep smiling all the time. It's not that kind of movie where there are a couple of characters who just make you laugh in the movie by their jokes, silly jokes. Of course, that's also a very different kind and genre of movie which do well. But this movie has nothing to do with silly and sudden jokes. It's an ensemble characters movie where every character is playing their part and every character is there to connect with one or more than one members of your family. You'll feel the connect that someone from that movie is a part of your family as well, and there'll be instances where you laugh. There'll be instances where you'll feel for that character, and that is why I say it's a sensible and a subtle comedy.
So when this movie was being narrated to you, was there any particular moment when you felt that okay, I want to produce this?
I think overall there were instances. There were quite a lot of high points in the movie throughout the narration when we were listening to it. The best part of the narration was Harsh Chaya, his energy, his belief in the story, and I think that was the most important thing that we felt. There are a lot of high points in the story, and it's difficult to name just one of them.
So do you think this film will gain a lot through word of mouth, as you have seen with films like October or Hichki this year?
Yes, 100%. As I said, this movie, we're doing enough which is within our capacity to make sure that people know about the movie. But I'm sure that every show that people watch and come out of the theatre, they will definitely tell 2 or 3 more of their friends and family to go and watch this movie, and that's how the word will spread here.
So do you remember any hilarious memories from the sets when you were shooting? Because the cast is made up of characters who are known for their comic sense.
Yes. I think every character has played their part very well. Talking about the leads, Vinay Pathak, Manoj Pava. If I have to talk about these two, I remember a scene where they're shooting the scene on the terrace of a building where they're drinking, and one of them likes a light drink, the other one likes a concentrated drink, and they're sharing the same glass. So one of them is mixing more water, the other one is mixing more alcohol. So the way it was happening in the shoot was very very comical. Another scene, if I may remember, is Vinay Pathak was supposed to use a gun and shoot this person. I think that scene, the whole emotion when the way he built up the scene before making that shot happen, I think it was hilarious. It was magnificent.
Okay. Do you have any interesting plans to go about promoting your film or to increase exposure?
Interesting plans. I think we are banking on this thought of item family. This is an ensemble movie, and it's the item family that will make you laugh aloud when you're watching this movie. So yeah, the theme behind promotions would definitely remain that go and watch this item family with your item family.
Do you think some people might be offended by the way the characters act towards the death of a family member?
See, it's not about the death of a family member. I am not sure that if the family member dies also or not in the movie. But it's not about the death of a family member. It's just the way everyone's life revolves around when a family member is in the hospital. There are ways to look at it. Our director had his own experiences and ways of looking at this movie and the situations around it, and that's how he's written this film. I think we have never or we don't even intend to try making fun of course it's a very a serious situation when one of a family member is in the family, but it's just a slice of life comedy where you can see the other side of the coin as well, and that's what we've tried to get out in the movie.
Do you have any other productions going on, Fleur? What are your upcoming?
Not right now. We've already done 2 movies. We just a new production house which has produced 2 movies now, and one of them of course is releasing on the 18th of May, Khajur Pe Atke. The second would also be out in the cinemas very soon, most probably in the next 1-2 months, and we would want to gauge the results of how these movies do and then move on to future projects. Of course we have plans to do future projects, but it depends a lot on how these 2 fare for us.
If we talk about the budget of the film, what kind of returns are you expecting with this?
I don't think we should answer this yet.
Okay. How was it a tough job to back a film like Khajur Pe Atke? At any point of time, did you feel it's getting too tough to?
Not really. We had done our pre-production quite well for Khajur Pe Atke. The budgets were set, and I don't think we ever moved out of our budget requirements. The shoot days were limited to make it look a worthwhile film, and we stuck to our schedule. We stuck to the budget, and it was not a difficult production to do.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Amrit, for chatting with us.
Thank you.
All the best for your upcoming film.
Thank you, and
so
I
much.
hope everyone enjoys this movie when they watch this movie in the theaters. And again, what I want to say is, please come and watch this Item Family with your Item Family. Thank you.
Thank you.